Folks, welcome back to Edge of Breakup. Now on this channel, I've already had plenty of Cunningham amps, amazing fuzz pedals, but this is my first amp from Tim out of New Zealand, and holy wow, the Custom 35 is amazing. I have it paired with a 212 cabinet with Scumbag speakers, H75 PVC and S75 PVC to get a nice, amazing wide sound with two complementary yet distinct speakers with that Alnico flavor from Scumbag. This amp is really special, has a lot more controls than I'm used to, and it's also two channels. So it has a tweed channel, which is referred to as the body channel. This one is much more warm and round. It's got an amazing clean, as well as a really stunning overdrive. Right next door is the bite channel, which brings you a lot of plexi love. Really super cutting British tones that are well defined, really complement humbuckers and P90s extremely well. Then we get into how you can combine the channels. So there is an option to cascade the channels on this amp, which takes a gain stage from the tweed side and gives it to the plexi side for even more amazing gain and more of a modern sound. And you can take the two channels and run them in parallel as well for a blend between them, and you can even do parallel cascading for the most gain. There's a master volume on it, there's a master tone, which is really, really beautiful and bright, as well as incredible reverb that's a single control that gives you increasing mix and increasing depth. And the amp has a cathode biased output stage that makes it ideal for blooming, singing leads. And in addition to my own playing today, we're going to be getting into some singing slide guitar with renowned blues musician Jules Leahy. We've been hanging out a lot lately, and he helped me shoot several videos for this Cunningham Amps Custom 35 212. Holy wow, we were sitting in the room cracking up at the end of every take because we could not believe how great the tone was.
Wow.
We've shot videos with several different Cunningham Amps fuzz pedals, as well as R2R fuzz, so we're going to get to those in the coming weeks. This week is all about hearing the Cunningham Amps Custom 35 212 through its body, aka the tweed channel, its bite, aka the plexi channel, the two channels cascaded, and the two channels in parallel, as well as cascaded in parallel. And we also get into some stunning, breathtaking, singing clean tones where Jules just completely knocked my socks off. I'm so proud to have him on this channel and to call him a friend. Make sure you go follow Jules Leahy on his YouTube channel and on his Instagram. He actually has a new Play Like Derek Trucks slide course. If you're gonna learn how to play slide guitar from anyone, it better be Jules Leahy. The dude is a master. So incredibly, incredibly stoked to have him on the channel. He'll be playing his Mule Resophonic Mulecaster, and man, does he ever sound great on an open E slide. Holy cow, he's got some amazing technique, and I might have to start getting back into slide guitar pretty soon. He's seriously inspired me. I also brought out my brand new Built Guitars SS Zaftig with Lawler La Prima mini humbuckers, and this guitar is so stunningly light. You probably saw my demo on it earlier this year, but Built Guitars makes incredible guitars, and this SS Zaftig is absolutely astonishing. These pickups complemented the amp so well, and I can't wait to get into it with you today. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you join my email list for monthly pedal giveaways. You can find the link below. Follow Jules Leahy on his YouTube and Instagram channels, and make sure to check out his Play Like Derek Trucks slide course. And with that, let's jump into the Cunningham Amps Custom 35 212 amp demo premiere. Thank you, Tim Cunningham. You have outdone yourself.
Yeah, we're looking good. All right, so I'm just gonna hang over here.
Okay, cool. Yeah, the days of building up to the best part are, yeah.
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 Let's try some parallel, okay?
Cool. Sounds amazing.
Go ahead.
cascading, okay? Higher gain. Let's do the tweed one more time, just because like we did Univibe on it at first, and we didn't hear it standard.
Oh, it's in no vibe still.
Let me make sure this.
It sounds amazing. Yeah.
I'll dial the gain all the way back. Let's see what we're doing here.
Also, this middle pickup on this guitar is like. Holler if I can
Yes.
help. I'm happy to.
Thank you. I appreciate
Yeah.
that. Thanks again for all the support on the channel. Make sure you subscribe down below, and I'll see you for the next demo.